Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious garlic cheesy bread. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by making our super easy 4-ingredient pizza dough. So with that, we're going to begin by dissolving our half a teaspoon of salt into 3/4 of a cup of water. Make sure that it is warm. We're just going to dissolve it. Okay, so we're going to set it to the side. And in a bowl, we're going to add our flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of instant yeast. And now we're going to pour our water. And just make sure that you're mixing while pouring. So just mix it all together. Okay, and once we have mixed all of our ingredients together, we're going to get the dough out of the bowl and knead for 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, our dough should be nice and soft. So we're just going to now grease our bowl where we're going to be resting our dough. Add a little bit of olive oil. And just brush it. Place the dough in there. Brush the top. Cover it with plastic wrap. Place it in a warm spot and allow it to rest for at least 1 hour. Okay, once our dough has doubled in size, now we can make our garlic cheesy bread. So I'm just going to set it to the side for now while we get our butter ready. So here I already have it all nice and melted. Okay, to our melted butter, we're going to add our minced garlic, Italian seasoning, and garlic salt. We're just going to mix it together and set it to the side until it's ready to be used. I'm going to be lining my cake pan with parchment paper. This is just going to make it easy for us to pull our garlic cheesy bread. And at this point, you also want to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Okay, so once we have lined our cake pan, we're going to set it to the side. Come back to our dough. We're going to punch it to get all of the air out. Okay, get the dough out of the bowl. Now we're going to begin to stretch it out. Okay, so once we have stretched our dough with our hands, we're going to place it back into our cake pan. Now just finish stretching it out. Just to make sure that it fits the whole cake pan. And once it fits, we're going to poke it with a fork. Just make sure not to go all the way down. Okay. Now we're going to add our garlic butter. And just spread it all over the dough. Just make sure that you get the sides as well. Now we're going to cover it with our cheese. And I'm using freshly grated parmesan and mozzarella. So once we have our cheese, I'm going to top it with a little more Italian seasoning. And now we're going to pop it in the oven and allow it to bake between 15 to 18 minutes. All right guys, so after 18 minutes, our bread is done. So I'm just going to carefully remove it from the pan and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Alrighty guys, and after 10 minutes, we can get ready to cut and enjoy. So of course you can cut it however you want. Just going to cut it in half. And then just cut it into smaller pieces. Okay, and now just get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we have our super easy and delicious garlic cheesy bread. I am so ready. You can enjoy it with your favorite marinara sauce or however you like to enjoy it. But let me tell you that this right here is going to become everyone's favorite, and it is super easy. So of course, hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Absolutely delicious. So soft, so cheesy, buttery, the garlic, everything. It's perfection. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious garlic cheesy bread. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.